नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। My name is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena. I am Associate Professor in the subject Mathematics and Statistics. Today I am going to take a lecture on the module Introduction of Least Square Method, and this module is a part of the course Modeling and Simulation of Bioprocess. This course is running in the program of BTech FBT 9th trimester and BSc FFT 9th trimester under the Faculty of Agricultural and Veterinary Science. So the least square method is a very important method, as all we know that here, and it's a mathematical tool, mathematical method which is used in various parts of the mathematics, and it can, with the help of this here, we can just draw the line or the parabola or the other graphs which just best fit for the given data. So what is the least square method and what are the applications of least square method? Now we see that here. So the least square method is a form of the mathematical regression analysis, and it is used to determine the line of best fit for a set of data, providing a visual demonstration of the relationship between the data points. It means suppose if we are given that some data points, then if we want to just draw if we want to find just what the curve which best fits for these data, then the least square method is much more useful to fit a curve or the line to best fit for such data. Each point of data represents the relationship between a known independent variable and an unknown dependent variable. So what does the least square method tell you? The least square method provides the rationale for the for the placement of the line of best fit among the data points being studied. The most common application of this method, which is sometimes referred to as linear or ordinary, aims to create a straight line that minimizes the sum of the squares of the errors that are generated by the results of the associated equations, such as the squared residuals resulting from differences in the observed value and the value anticipated based on that model. So this method of regression analysis begins with a set of data points to be plotted on an x-axis and the y-axis graph. An analyst use the least square method will generate a line of best fit that explains the potential relationship between the independent and the dependent variable. So ultimately, just we have to say here about this, the least square method, just it will give you a best method to just conclude about a line or a curve which best fit for the given data point, and with the help of we can find it here. It is simply, it can be used this method here to obtain the line or the curve to best fit for the such data. In regression analysis, dependent variables are illustrated on the vertical y-axis, while the independent variables are illustrated on the horizontal x-axis. So how can we draw? It means in regression analysis, dependent variables are just taken on the vertical y-axis, while the independent variables of the function are taken on the horizontal x-axis. These designations will form the equation for the line of best fit, which is determined from the least square method. In contrast to a linear problem, a non-linear least square problem has no closed solution and is generally solved by iteration method. So the discovery of the least square method is attributed to Carl Friedrich Gauss, who discovered the method in 1795. Now we take the example of the least square method, which will more clear about this method here. So an example of the least square method is an analyst who wishes to test the relationship between the company's stock returns and the returns of the index for which the stock is component. So means here we are saying here just there is an analyst and he wants to test the relationship between a company's stock returns and the returns of the index for which the stock is a component. So in this example, the analyst seek to test the dependence on the stock returns on the index numbers. So there is a dependency of the stock returns on the index returns. To achieve this, all of the returns are plotted on a chart, and the index returns are then designated as the independent variable, and the stock returns are the dependent variables. The line of best fit provides the analyst with coefficients explaining the level of the dependency. So when we draw the line, when we make the line of best fit, and then it will provide the analyst with the coefficients explaining the level of dependency. The lines of best fit equation. The line of best fit determined from the least square method has an equation that tells the story of the relationship between the data points. Line of best fit equation may be determined by the computer software models which include a summary of outputs for analysis, where the coefficients and the summary outputs explain the dependence on the variable being tested. Now least square method, least square regression line. If the data shows a linear relationship between two variables, the line that the best fits this linear relationship is known as the least square regression line, which minimizes the vertical distance from the data points to the regression line. The term least square is used because it is smallest sum of the squares of error, and which is also called the variance. So one important thing is there given that in the last, and this is here the term least square is used because it is smallest sum of the squares of the errors. Means when we take the errors and we will find the squares of errors, then we will just calculate here the total error, the total square of the errors, then it will be minimum, and this concept is used in the least square method, and which will give you and which will help us here to make a line or the curve which best fits to the given data. So this session is powered by the digital version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box and I will just resolve your doubts and the problems. So in this way today we have studied about the introduction of the least square method. It is very important method. We have seen here, we have just told here for the mathematical tools, and mainly the purpose of this method is to find a curve or the straight line or any other curve which best fits for the given set of data. So with this here I conclude my lecture, today's lecture. Thank you.